Hi guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on the Vibe 26 RK. Guys, that RK is going to stand for rear kitchen. Let's take a look. So right up front, this is going to be our power front jack. We have a little light control right here, so whether you're hooking up at night or if you just need a little extra light, they have you covered. We have the dual propane here and your battery. Guys, that is already included in that already low Funtown price. Right behind the battery, we have our battery disconnect. So whenever you're putting it at your storage location or you're just parking it, you're not gonna be using it for a little while, it's real easy, just disconnect power to the battery. Our first stop right here is gonna be that pass-through storage. Guys, if you look right here, it is magnets. So it just holds just like that. There's no clip, no latch, super easy, and look at all that space. As we continue on, this is our 12-volt Solaire power awning with our light strip right here. And then of course you see our two marine grade outdoor speakers. So those are gonna be waterproof and they do light up. It's all about those key little extra features. Talking about features, guys, you're always gonna wanna make sure your door is all the way open whenever you are lifting or putting down your steps. Reason being is you have this little part right here that stays inside the door. You want to make sure it doesn't catch your screen. Your steps are easily adjusted right here. You go up and down, so no matter what terrain you're on, whether it's pavement, dirt, rocks, you're covered. You just adjust to the height to whenever you put it down, you're looking for that smooth feel just like that. That way you have that easy passage right inside your camper. Guys, one of the other features you're gonna see out here is gonna be the hookups for your power and cable for that outside TV. And then of course, right here on the back corner, we're gonna have our outside fridge, our sink, but guys, there's more. Right here, you're gonna have a hidden cooktop. Super easy, super fun, and enjoying the outdoors. Tailgating events or just at the campsites, they're gonna have you covered. Here's our inlets for our satellite and cable. Our bumper is where you're actually gonna store your sewer hose. Guys, this pops off right there, slides right in there, and then once you're done, just hit it on and we're all set. Spare tire, it is included in this one. And then our outside shower. So whether you need to hose off the animals or the kids before we go inside, cool off and enjoy more fun, they're gonna have you covered here. And as always, this one is gonna come pre-wired with a Furrion rear camera. So that's gonna be great whether you're backing up or trying to eliminate those blind spots while you're going down the road. All right, guys, we just took a look at the outside of the 26 RK Vibe. This rear kitchen has tons of features on the outside, but before we get to go see all those goodies inside, make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have, and make sure to join our Facebook group. It's Funtown RV Texas Buy, Sell, Trade Tricks and Tips. So you're gonna join that group whether you're the experienced camper or brand new to the game. It's gonna be everything in between. It's gonna be those helpful tips to make camping fun. Let's go take a look at the inside now. All right, guys, now that we are inside, let's take a look at some of these amazing features. Guys, this is gonna be the RK, so rear kitchen, but before we get to the kitchen right here, we're gonna have our dual recliners. Plenty of windows, plenty of view. We have our AC, of course, right here. That's gonna be a 15K AC right here. And then as we continue on into the kitchen area, we have our Furrion fridge and freezer. Tons of room, nice and cold. Our pantry right here. And then as we continue into the kitchen, we have our 3-burner stove. Of course, our Furrion microwave above. Our oven right here. And then guys, always that awesome storage. Plenty of cabinet room above and below. Cabinet space right here. Nice deep sink. And then our skylight up above. Let's go check out that bathroom and bedroom and check out some more of these key features. All right, guys, on the way to go check out that bedroom and bathroom, take a look at my Connex TV right here with the sound bar built in, and then my Furrion 30-inch fireplace. So guys, this fireplace is gonna be great. So whether you're needing the ambiance of a fire or actually being able to produce heat, it's gonna have you covered. Let's go take a look at that bedroom and bathroom now. So our first stop is going to be right here into the bathroom. Plenty of room in here. Large shower, plenty of headspace. Tons of room here, guys. I'm 6'4". Tons of room in here. We have our porcelain toilet, and then of course our storage right here. It's all about bringing those amenities from home on the go. All right, guys. Now that we're in the bedroom, it's time for that second gem. It's this AC right here, guys. That's right, there's 2 ACs. So you can keep it nice and cold like a meat locker in there, or you just set the mood just to that perfect temp. We're gonna have hanging room on the side of the bed here, storage above, and of course, like always, guys, we're gonna have that storage below the bed. And it does come with these cubbies, guys. So deep storage right there. And then over here is gonna be a great, awesome feature for you guys to see. It's gonna be the control panel. You're able to read your solar panel. So that's right, guys, it already has solar included in this package. But then right next to me, guys, we're gonna have the closets. Plenty of hanging space in here, tons of room for storage, and all that room for fun. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Vibe 26 RK with all the amazing features like that dual AC, the fireplace, the solar panel, and so many other amazing features that this one has. Make sure to like, follow, share, comment with any questions, and join our Facebook group. We look forward to seeing you, and remember, the fun starts here.